In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to the Windows Copilot chat box, whether you're collaborating on a project, needing quick insights from documents, or seeking assistance with your files. Leveraging the Windows Copilot can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into the process, making sure you have all the detail you need to seamlessly attach and utilize files in your chat. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Windows Copilot. This is your go-to for smart assistants on Windows, and will be your partner in getting the information you need from your files. If you haven't accessed it before, you can find it by typing Copilot into the search bar on your taskbar, and then simply click to open it. Once you've opened Windows Copilot, you'll need to either open an existing chat or start a new conversation. Navigating to your chat interface should be straightforward from the Copilot dashboard. If you're starting fresh, look for a new conversation button to set up your dialog space where you can interact and share files effortlessly. Now that you've got your chat window ready, one of the key actions you'll be taking is clicking on the paperclip or the icon labeled Attach File. This is generally found at the bottom of your chat window, and it's designed to make attaching files intuitive and easy. This step is crucial as it's how you'll connect your important documents, images, or data directly into the conversation. Next, you need to select your file. You can pull your documents from your local storage or from OneDrive if your files are cloud-based. When you click the Attach icon, a dialog box will appear, letting you search and choose the correct file from your device or your OneDrive account. Having your file organized and easily accessible beforehand will save you time at this stage. As your file is attached, the next step is to type a prompt or question referring to the uploaded file. This is where you direct Copilot on what you're aiming to achieve from the file. Be clear and specific in your prompt to guide the Copilot in analyzing your document effectively and providing useful feedback or answers. Finally, watch Copilot work its magic. The tool will analyze and respond using the content of your attached file. Through powerful AI capabilities, it'll strive to deliver answers based on the information in your document, enabling you to move forward with your work equipped with insights and solutions. And that's it. You are now ready to make the most out of file sharing with Windows Copilot. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more empowered to utilize this tool in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.